Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself and my partner. My name is Amanda Nabila, and my partner is Maila Yasmin Ahyara. In the presentation, we will discuss about pest control technique. Pest control technique. The definition of pest control is the regulation of nuisance creature or organism called pests because they are considered to be detrimental to human health, ecology, or the economy. Control refers to the killing of animal pests such as fox, rats, and animals, usually carried out by a pest control officer of department. Kind of pest control technique. First, technical culture, physical and mechanical, chemical, PhD, land variety, biology, and the last, regulation. Technical culture. Technical culture control is a preventive action which is carried out before a pest attack occurs with the aim that the population does not increase to exceed the control threshold. For example, cultural control of whitefly pests can be done by, first, reduce pest ecosystem harmony by performing sanitation, host modification, water management, and land treatment. Two, interferes with the continuity of the supply of pests for livelihood, which is done by crop cultivation, increase and simulation planting of a large area. 3. The pest population differs in the ground, such as by planting plant traps. The last, the reducing in the effect of damage by pests by changing host tolerance. Varieties of resistance. The use of resistant varieties need to be considered so that the yield of crop production can increase. Planting resistant varieties also had advantage such as reduced pest control costs, reduced pesticide use, and so on. The use of resistant varieties is one of the components in the integrated pest control, or EPM, because it can reduce the population quickly. Plant breeders are required to create more resistant varieties as demand increases and agricultural problem areas. For example, the steps that need to be taken in a pest-resistant breeding program are as follows. First, seek source of resilient stock gram palms collection, introduction, crossbreeding, and local collection. 2. Evaluation or resistance screening in field and laboratory. 3. Characterization of resistant properties or mechanism. 4. Perform crosses. 5. Selection and evaluation of crosses result. And the last, supporting studies such as aspect genetic improvement of quantitative traits which need to be fixed.
Physical and mechanical. Mechanical and physical controls employ the use of physical objects or devices to control pests. This device can include several different sizes, types, and varieties of screens, barriers, fences, traps, and mulches. If physical and mechanical control is carried out properly, it can reduce pest population without damaging the environment and making plants free from pests. The advantage and disadvantage of physical and mechanical control, among others, first, does not cause pollution to the environment. Two, can be combined with other control methods. Three, requires a lot of energy. Four, cannot be done for large locations continuously. Mechanical pest control activities that are usually carried out include manually picking and cleaning snails or caterpillars that attack cabbage plants. This activity by Japanese farmers is called rotation, which is controlling the caterpillar pests that attack sugarcane shoots. Removing pests on plants can also be done physically, as some aphids and mites can be knocked off the leaves by spraying water with a certain pressure on the plants. Biological control. Biological control is a used microorganism that aim to control the organism plants pest or OPT. As for the activities in biological control, namely the administration of antagonistic microorganisms with certain treatments that aim to increase activity of soil microorganisms, including the provision of organic matter so that antagonistic microorganisms become high activity in the ground. Example, by utilizing their natural enemies, or biological control again, such as predators, parasites, and pathogens. Chemical control. Chemical control of pests and plant disease using chemical synthetic pesticide is the last alternative, when other ways of control are unable to overcome increase. The pest population has gone beyond the threshold of control. The application of pesticide was a correction to bring down pest or disease population to a balance. Use of pesticide should also be on target, on dosage, and on time. Some controls, like neem oil, provide eradication of pests from multiple kingdoms or of organisms. When used as a spray, neem oils helps combat fungal diseases like powdery mildew, as well as more than 200 insect pests. Neem oil is an extract produced from the neem tree, which is used over a broad spectrum of not only plain pest controls, but household items and medicinal application as well. Regulation. Control by statutory regulation is the preventing of the spread or transfer and transmission of plant-disturbing organisms through statutory policies established by the government. The legal basis for prevention with regulation is, first, Undang-Undang Nomor 16 Tahun 1992 tentang karantina hewan, ikan, dan tumbuhan. Yang kedua ada Peraturan Pemerintahan Nomor 6 Tahun 1995 tentang perlindungan tanaman. Yang ketiga ada Peraturan Pemerintahan Nomor 14 Tahun 2000 tentang karantina tumbuhan. Example, prohibition of sending potato seeds from Batu, Malang to other areas that have not been attacked by potato cheese nematode or Globodera rostosiensis. PHT. The Integrated Pest Control System, or APM, has four basic principles which reflect the concept of pest and disease control that is environmentally sound and encourage the application of APM nationally for sustainable agricultural development. The four basis principles in the application of the PHT are as follows. First, healthy plant cultivation. 2. Utilization of natural enemies. 3. Routine observation and monitoring. 4. Farmer as APM expert.
Okay, thanks for attention. This is from Group 4. Thank you and see you the next video. Dadah.